Sanbanane guys, welcome back to yet another episode. Today we are reviewing a scene in an episode of the show called Nganele. So Nganele is back with another season, and I want us to talk about one of our previous season's famous couple, Untombi and Untlandla, aka Unzwakele. So you'd remember that reunion previous season iphele ngokuthi uLokhuzana uNhlanhla proposed to Ntombi and Ntombi said yes, so they were basically engaged. So this season they are talking about going to Home Affairs to sign, and they're basically talking about how ugogo is going to receive it. You know, one thing I've realized, because Untombi was basically saying that Gogo is going to make a big deal out of the fact that by your sign. And Nhlanhla's like, no, ugogo akasenankinga now, it's not going to be a big issue. But like, Untombi was saying something, and I agree. Ukuthi ugogo, when Unhlanhla is around, she doesn't speak as harshly when Unhlanhla is around. It's like, ngathi yamsaba, or she respects him or something like that. Ubabhlaza, like when it's just Untombi or when she's directly talking to Untombi. But when it comes to Untlahla, she is kind of like a little bit much more reserved and a bit more respectful. So if Untlahla goes to her alone and tells Ugogo about his plans, Gogo will make a comment or a remark, obviously, but she'll let it go easily. But in her diary sessions, that's when she'll basically come for Untombi and be disrespectful. I feel like Untombi has tried, Bandla. She has tried Uzamil Mtana Bantu to be respectful to Ugogo. Mara Ugogo is just like on another level, guys. It is no secret that Umzansi doesn't like Ugogo at all. And another thing that came, guys, to a realization, or came, or should I say was revealed in this season, is that Untlanhla's mother is not actually his real mother. Let me say that again. Untlanhla's mother, like Ugogo's daughter, is not actually Nhlanhla's real mother. And this came out this season, and Unhlanhla like is not taking it well. So what had happened is that one of Unhlanhla's uncles called him and told him the truth. Ukuthi, no, the woman that you know to be your mother is not actually your real mother. Your real mother actually passed away. Now they don't go into details of like what really happened, and that's the thing that I'm kind of questioning. Ukuthi, like, what really happened with Nhlanhla's real mother, and why did they keep it like a secret for such a long time? And I'm just like, Mara, Ugogo and her daughter have been controlling and wanting to control Unhlanhla all along, yet they're busy keeping like such a big secret away from him. And remember, guys, the last season, Nhlanhla's mother said the reason why she hates Ulokhuzana, the father of Unhlanhla, is because wamithisa eseseyingane, she was young, and she was a virgin, and wamitisa, and then something like he just left her like that. So now I'm thinking, where did that story come from? Because remember, she even went to therapy. She went to go and see a therapist, saying that story, okanye that event that happened like affected her so much. And for me, I was like, oh, maybe that's the reason why she's so protective over her son, because of the way her son came about, or the way her son was like conceived. And now to only find out that like it's not even her real son, like where did that story come from? Like, I'm trying to think to myself, like, yeah, and I feel like these two women have like been trying to control Unhlanhla like basically for his whole life, and make it seem as if Ntombi is like the problem and all of that, whereas they busy lying to him and shielding him. And yeah, like that one's a very painful thing. So anyway, Unhlanhla was, he was not fine with he's not fine with the whole situation. I mean, anyone wouldn't be fine, because chances are, guys, people around, they probably know the truth of the story. Abantu abahlala around them probably, because that's the thing. Neighbors, people, always, they somehow always know the truth. And you are going about living your life. You even went to this TV show, and it's like almost everyone around there knows the truth except you. And these two women are basically like, they don't even bother like telling or coming out with the truth. Anyway, so there's a scene where like our fave Unhlanhla's uncle, you'd know Unhlanhla's uncle, the one who was standing up for Untombi the last season and saying Uti Ugogo and his sister were like kind of being hard on Unhlanhla. That man that we all loved, the uncle, he was speaking no Gogo, saying Uti like he needs to call his other brother so that they go and see Unhlanhla because Unhlanhla is not fine. And Ugogo basically responds, Gogo was so disrespectful. I don't know like what is it no Gogo. Like Ugogo ulwa impi and lempi ayilwayo, like she's fighting alone because yini lento ayilwayo. Like what exactly is she like fighting for, or what is she fighting about? Because she's always, I don't know, but anyway, she was like she doesn't get to why Unhlanhla is upset about this whole thing. He's just ungrateful, and she says that yena akanaskhathi, you know, to run after a child, and if yafuna unzwakela Unhlanhla, he should go and hang himself if he wants to. And yena like akazi ukuthi yini lento ayikhalelayo Unhlanhla, like basically saying that Unhlanhla should be grateful that they brought him up and stop like making a deal out of nothing. And I'm just like, but you say you love your grandchild, yet you speaking like that. Like she showed zero remorse towards like why Unhlanhla was not fine. She took like she showed zero remorse, like she didn't care basically. But again, guys, the other sad news is that umalume kaNhlanhla, the one we all loved, he has sadly passed away. And may he continue to rest in peace. The sad part, is that I feel like that one man is like the man who was like for their relationship, and that man like could give Unhlanhla, like he was for Unhlanhla. When Unhlanhla was wrong, he could tell him. When Unhlanhla was on part, like he would tell him like don't listen too much to Omabako. So I feel like he was really like he had good intentions towards Unhlanhla. So now that engaseko, I don't like, it's sad for Unhlanhla as well, to not have like your family support you in, you know, in your marital affairs since, or in your marital relationship since they plan to go and sign. But I just feel like Unhlanhla is gonna have to step up in some sense. I feel like sometimes Unhlanhla like is too chilled. I feel like he's too chilled because he doesn't get the backlash as much as Untombi does. And I feel like to some certain extent, at some time, he's gonna have to put his foot down, because sometimes he just loves things off ahleke because his mother no gokwake, like they have some sort of respect for him. At some point, he's gonna have to put his foot down, or else like this thing is gonna continue forever. And I am afraid that it might get to a point where Ntombi might just say, you know what, I'm tired of this. Because one thing about Ntombi, she did begezela for a long time, you guys. She uyibegezela into. So I just wish that Unhlanhla eventually like puts healthy boundaries between, you know, these women who are in his life, his mother and his granny, and between Untombi as well. Anyway, guys, tell me, what did you think of this episode? Please do me a favor before you leave this video, like the video and subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.